Merry Christmas Eve morning. It's Elizabeth Brown, the Kitchen Vixen, and I went to the gym this morning even though I was not feeling it because I got some unpleasant news yesterday. But now I'm just going to go to work for a few hours. I know that sounds silly, but I prefer to work on holidays when I can get the charts and do my job and not be distracted by too many people around. So it's actually good for me. So I'm just going to make a smoothie to take with me, and I figured as the year is wrapping up and the new year is about to begin, everyone's going to be wanting to try to get on their New Year's resolutions to lose weight and get fit, and that's great. Smoothies are a great way to do it. You know, actually, even though I'm not a fan of those pre-made drinks, there is some rationale behind drinking 2 shakes in a meal, but I'd rather do it making my own from scratch. So I'm doing my usual, like 2 scoops of protein powder. I'm just going to use what I have here. I like chocolate whey. You can use whatever kind you like. I have a quarter of an avocado just left over that I just need to use up. So I'm going to add that for some good fat and antioxidants. And then I had made some spring rolls the other day. I haven't posted those recipes yet, but I did those for 2 days. And so I have the remaining shredded carrots and some Napa cabbage and parsley. And I know it sounds weird, but I already made a smoothie like this and it worked out just fine. Just got to use up what I have and get my vegetables in. And then I have some chia seeds, and I've always recommend to grind the seeds. I find that it works better for me. I cannot stand walking around with little seeds in my teeth all day, and then knowing that I'm not absorbing those omega-3 fats that are inside the seed, so you should grind them. So I'm going to grind them. I use my coffee grinder because I don't grind coffee. So while I'm at it, on my way back from the gym, I went through the garage and picked up some packages, Christmas presents from my mom. Basically, she gave me some money and told me to buy something, so I did. And I wanted to show you because for 2 different Christmas seasons, when I was in my 20s, when I first graduated from college and didn't yet have a job, or I was working at the steak shop that I worked at all through high school and college when I would go home for break. But then I needed some more income, so I took a job at UPS as a truck loader for the Christmas season. And then I think a year later, after I finished my dietetic internship and decided to quit my full-time job after that, I went back to work at UPS as a truck loader for the Christmas season. It's one of the hardest jobs I've ever done, and I've had a lot of hard jobs in my life, but physically it's very difficult. So my cats love boxes. So I just wanted to show you how to properly pick up a box, and that will get you started on your fitness routine because picking up boxes teaches you proper squatting technique. Okay guys, watch out. Everyone off the boxes. Ready? So you want to make sure you squat all the way down. Axel, come on. Because when we worked at UPS, you have to lift boxes properly so you don't injure yourself. And then you lift with your legs. Okay? So it's really tight space. I brought my bike inside, so and put it back down. Okay, you don't bend at the waist, you lift with the legs. Okay, there we go. Good lifting techniques for back safety. And practicing your fitness routine. Okay, so then I'm out of pumpkin seeds, so I'm going to use just a tablespoon of sesame seeds for some phytoestrogens, lots of cancer fighting benefits, and sunflower seeds for zinc and iron and vitamin E, which is an essential antioxidant that we can never get enough of. And then I have my molasses for iron and some magnesium and some selenium and calcium. So I need the iron because I don't know if I'm going to be eating any meat today. And then my nutritional yeast for B vitamins, especially B12 if you're a vegetarian or vegan. It's hard to get enough B12 in your diet, so nutritional yeast can be a good source of it. I just use a tablespoon, but you could use 2. A tablespoon provides hundreds of percentages of all your Bs. And I'm out of soy milk. I really need to go to the store. It's another reason why I'm going to work, because on the way home I'm going to stop at the store and get some groceries before they close. So I'm using some tea. And, oh, I had an apple. Let's see how it tastes without the apple. Okay. Yep. It's actually good. So I'll save my apple for something else. And that's it. All right, I gotta go to work, and hopefully I have to post this today because it's timely. Merry Christmas Eve morning, and happy holidays. Okay, so I got my smoothie, I'm ready to go, and before I'm taking off, I did an analysis of the recipe I created, and it has like 60 to hundreds of percentages of all your vitamins and minerals, except for vitamin D, E, and zinc. Even the iron is above 100%, so I'm good for my iron, but just in case, I'm taking a multivitamin mineral supplement that has zinc in it, has vitamin E, I take extra vitamin D. That's very individualized, but 2,000 IUs I think is pretty standard. So I can't say for sure. It depends on the person. It depends on your level. And then I take a calcium supplement because I'm not drinking milk right now, or soy milk. I'm out of it. So I have a calcium to take. And that's it. Got my fluids, got my protein shake, and I'll probably pick up something on the way home. And that's it. We're going to rebuild those muscles that we worked today and get you on the right track for the new year. All right, now I got to go. Merry Christmas.